Okay, so I am back. It is still May 9th, so after talking to my mentor, I have to find my queen because it looks like they might have swarmed. I was just thinking they're thinking of swarming, but they might have swarmed, and there's no real way to know that except to find the queen. So, number one, I have to find the queen, which I've never been very good at. So today is a good time to be good at it. And if that's the case and I find her, and I hope I do, I'm going to move her into another box and have her establish her own hive that sort of simulates a swarm. And then leave the old hive with a couple queen cells so they can raise a new queen for themselves. So that's the plan. If I can't find the queen, that's another story. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do then, too. I think I'm supposed to still split at that point if I can't find the queen. And then, yeah, so they reduce the chances of swarming again and just leave 2 queen cells. Because if you leave too many queen cells, they could swarm again. So that's another thing. We don't want them swarming again because then population numbers go down, down, down. So yeah, that's the plan. All right, here we go. So, I know she's not going to be in this top box because this has the queen excluder. So this is the honey super. I'll take this one off. Not going to be in there. Okay. Take the queen excluder off. Okay, so we looked at this one already, and I found a swarm cell in that. Let's tilt it up and see if I can see any more. Yep. Back. Let's see. Yep, there's the queen cell. See one, and one almost capped. Definitely there. Let's start poking around in here. Let me get you guys in a little closer. So my goal is to find the queen. She's going to be here. She's going to be in the brood chambers. So that's what I'm looking for. And I'm going to start on this side. Because the brood seems to be more in here. So let's give ourselves a little room. Trying to get this one out. It's pretty stuck in there. Alright, this one's coming out with some coaxing. This is all capped honey, looks like. Very heavy. So maybe I'll take this one, if I can get this one to come out. Alright. So that has some honey on that side, and capped honey on that side. Good stores. That means they've been busy. I don't expect to find the queen on a honey frame. So, now, this one's very heavy. This is a honey frame. Look at that. Very heavy, with nectar stores and capped honey. Yes, I do see eggs. So, I do see eggs, so if she was here, she might be around here. So let me look carefully. Okay, Queenie, come on, be here for me, baby. Alright, I'm going to look carefully to see if I can see her. And eggs. Yep, see eggs. That's good. Definitely see eggs, but no sign of my queen so far. Alright, let's keep looking. She was here. Keep looking. Pollen stores, good pollen stores. Some brood, back filled with honey, nectar. This is basically a pollen. Empty. Oh, supersedure. Some cup here. Empty cup. Okay, so didn't see her in there, but I did find eggs, so she was there, at least 3 days ago. Okay, let's put this one back in. Try to put them back in the same way you took them out. mix them all back together. Try to make sure that bee space is not violated. So, keep looking for her. Puff, puff, puff. Gonna pull out a frame to get some space. It's pretty deep in there. It has a little bit of honey in it. Oh, a bee that's got squished. I'm sorry. Don't expect to find my queen on that one. This looks like a full honey frame. Yes, very, very, very heavy frame. Look at that. Wow. Packed with syrup, packed with honey. That is such a heavy frame. Oh my gosh. I can barely lift it. Solidly packed. Look at this side. That's all honey. So heavy. This is an empty one that I put in here, but it has honey that's already stored in there. This is capped honey, full of nectar. Okay, let's put that back in there. This is a frame I gave them last week that was empty, and already it has some stored capped nectar and more nectar, no eggs. Yep, I'm also going to get rid of some of this drone comb down here. This is drone burr comb. This is a way to not squish bees when you put the frames back. It's also a good preemptive way to get rid of any mites if you have capped drone. I don't know if that's failed or not. That definitely has an egg in it. And that's another cup that doesn't have an egg in it. This one has an egg in it. And there are definitely eggs on this, but doesn't mean anything. She could have still swarmed. It just means that she was here 3 days ago. So, again, I'm going to remove this so I don't inadvertently smush anybody. But this was placed in just a week ago, and it's already been drawn out quite a bit. And it has capped brood in it. Busy, busy bees. Didn't see her on that frame. So this frame feels pretty light. Let's see if I can see signs of my queen. This is all capped brood. Okay, just look carefully here. I see some cups down there. They're definitely planning on swarming. There are eggs here. She was definitely just here. Definitely eggs. So she was just here. I hope I find her because I really don't want them not to have a queen. Alright, so down here I see some cups. And there are eggs in these cups. So yes, I'm going to destroy these. Plus this burr comb. So I'm trying to find if the queen was here, because if I destroy all of these and she's gone, then I've just made my hive queenless. So I really do hope I find her. This is a beautiful brood frame. Look at this. Solid brood. Lovely. Lovely brood pattern. I see another cup down here. And there's an egg in it. And another one. So they're definitely thinking about swarming. So far only one developed, 2 developing queen cells so far though. Okay, this is a honey pollen frame. Don't expect to find her here. More cups down here. Okay, so they're definitely thinking about doing this. So I gotta take some measures. Okay, so 2 of those boxes had 2 fully capped queen cells. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, I'm really hoping I find my queen in here. Alright, this one feels very heavy. This one looks like a honey frame. These definitely have enough to eat. Honey, 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 honey. Honey there as well. All honey. No queen. Alright, propolis in here. That back in. Alright, do you see the queen? I do not see the queen. Yes, I see eggs. Every single cell has an egg. Okay, so that's a good sign that she was here recently. Oh man, come on, Queenie, show yourself. Alright, a couple queen cups, all empty. Okay, let's place this one back in. Alright, still don't see her. So, more queen cups, all empty. Frames a little bit. Okay. Don't see her in that one either. Oh, queen, you're proving elusive. Right, so I didn't see her in this box either. So that leaves me with one box left. So I hope I find her in the last one. Oh, but I didn't see any queen cells in this one. No queen cells, just up or two. This is the bottom box. And last time I was here, there was not a lot going on. This was all empty, just pollen stores. So we'll see today what's going on. No queen. Looks like all nectar and pollen stores. It's all syrup. I mean, all nectar. Girls, you've been so busy. All nectar. So I went through the hive twice and I did not find her. I found 2 queen cells that were sealed, one that was just about, and about 3 cups that had either jelly or an egg in it. Lots of other cups that were empty. So, what to do now? I'm gonna get in touch with my mentor, ask her what she thinks, and maybe she can come help me look for her. I think she's still here. I really do, because they only have 2 of them that are just capped in terms of queen cells. I don't know. I need to seek another opinion. But yeah, beekeeping, it didn't say it was going to be easy, right? Enjoyable, fascinating, yes, but frustrating because you just don't know what the bees are thinking. At least I don't. But I'm trying. All right, thanks you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.